Hey guys, what's up? Nick Techno here, and again, we're going to be unboxing a new device, and this is something I'm very excited about. This is the PlayStation Dualsense Limited Edition, the 30th Anniversary Edition, to be exact. So let's get right into it. Now, if you missed my previous video where I unboxed the PlayStation Portal 30th Edition, definitely check that out. I'll have a link to that in the description below. I'm still loving the PlayStation Portal. It's very cool. And the only reason I didn't unbox these both in the same video is because they arrived at different times. This actually arrived about an hour after my PlayStation Portal video got done recording, so that's why we're doing it now in a whole separate video. But I don't expect this video to be that long, so let's just get right into it. If you know a PlayStation DualSense wireless controller, you've pretty much seen all of them. There's not a whole lot of differences from this version to a regular version, but I will be doing a comparison, obviously, to a regular version, just so you guys can get an idea of what you're getting if you are going to purchase this, or if you have one on the way, or if you just wanted to see what it's all about. So the box, as you can see, they tried to kind of mimic the original PlayStation box for the original PlayStation 1, and it looks absolutely beautiful. I am 100% keeping these boxes in my collection. Yes, I am a hoarder, but it just looks great. I love the color scheme, of course, and I'm a sucker for special editions, so I'm really happy I got my hands on it. This is the CFI ZCT1W, just rolls right out the tongue there. We have the PlayStation official symbol here for the sticker, letting you know it's authentic. We do have the seal, so I have not opened this yet. On the right side just tells you what's inside, which is just the controller and some material. So this doesn't even come with a charging cable, which I thought they did. Maybe it does and it just doesn't say, but so it's just going to be the controller in there. Heighten your senses. So yeah, a USB cable is not included. That actually blows my mind, especially in a limited edition. That is interesting to me that they didn't include anything. It's just the controller, but hey, it's not that much more expensive than the regular version, so I kind of understand why they're not adding any extra accessories. So with that, let's get this thing open with my knife here. I want to be as gentle as I can because, again, I don't want to ruin the box because I want to keep it because these boxes are absolutely beautiful. There we go. Ah, I did rip it a little bit, but at least it's on the inside, so you won't really notice it. And just like the Portal box, I love this design. So they have all the old school accessories and the new school accessories, the old systems, the new systems. Very cool. I love that printing. Very fun. And then, of course, we got a box inside of a box, just like we did with the Portal. Nothing else, just a ton of printing. Very cool. But I'm going to put the box to the side for right now. And we have the 30th anniversary branding on the top here. Nothing else on the box, other just a ton of printing of that 30th anniversary. So let's open this up here, or does it just pop open? Oh, yes, it just slides open. Okay. Just like that. And here's the controller. And we have some documentation. It's kind of interesting to me they still waste paper to give somebody a controller. It's like, you just press the button and it turns on. Not too complicated. But that is it. Literally nothing else is in the box. Again, no cable, which is kind of surprising. Because I could swear every DualShock, DualSense, whatever you call it, controller I purchased has come with a cable. I could be wrong with that, but it's just interesting. But yeah, so that to the side, we have the controller. Are you guys ready for the reveal? Oh, man. Oh, my God. Now, I said it in the previous video with the Portal. I meant it, but I'm saying it again. The memories, man, the nostalgia is just flooding back for me right now. Again, I'm 30 years old. I was born in 1994, same year as the PS1's launch. And to say I have a special place in my heart for PlayStation is a huge understatement. And this has taken me right back to my childhood. It looks exactly like the original PlayStation controllers. We even have the colored, I would just wish Sony would stay with this, the colored PlayStation symbol. It's so gorgeous. Another thing they need to stick with, man, the colored buttons. We have the blue X, the pink square, the green triangle, and the kind of muted orange circle. I absolutely miss the colored buttons. They just look so much better than the muted colors we have nowadays, or just the gray. And then on the left side, we have the D-pad. Of course, we have the analog sticks in the middle. We have a mute button for your plugged-in headset or wireless headset of your choice, microphone hole, speaker hole, touchpad. So the thing that's kind of interesting, and honestly, I'm kind of glad they went this way. Every single special edition that I've seen for PlayStation 4 controllers or PS5 controllers with the touchpad, they usually do something special with putting some branding on here, some etching or something like that to make it look really standoutish. But I'm glad they just kept it mute. You know, it really adds to the aesthetic of the original PlayStation with that gray color scheme. So I'm honestly not bummed that there's not like an etching in there. However, if we take a closer look at the grip of these controllers, you can see, and you can really see it on the portal, but you can kind of see it here with my camera. There is an etching in the grip of the controller of the 30th anniversary edition PlayStation symbols. Sorry for my shaky hands, but that's just super cool. It's such a cool little design choice that I love that Sony does. And then, of course, the Mac, we have the PlayStation 30th anniversary branding, and really nothing else other than just the triggers and the USB-C charging port on the top. But all in all, it's a DualSense controller. There's nothing too special about it. There's nothing that's an added feature, or, you know, it's not lighter or heavier than other controllers. And just to put it up against a regular controller, here's the white variant, the one that comes with every standard PS5. You can see side by side here, or above each other, below each other. They're the same exact size. Analogs are the same. There really is no difference. It's just the color scheme. It's that special edition look. And honestly, for a couple dollars more, I think it's worth it. And I'm really happy with this purchase. And I love the look of this original PlayStation controller. It's just so damn cool. Now, don't get me wrong. I've really enjoyed PlayStation's design choices the past few years. I love the look of the DualSense 5. I think it looks really good. But it's never going to compete with the original gray, man. That is the gray with the colored, man. You can't even see the power button here, but the colored power button looks so damn good. And especially the colored buttons. Imagine if these were on here. That would just make it pop so much more. It would look so much better. Like, leave the white background, that's fine, but just make them colored. I think that would just be great. But, you know, it is what it is. But yeah, they're both the same exact weight. They feel the same. Triggers feel the same. Really no differences. It's just that color scheme. So that is it for my unboxing and first impressions of the DualShock 30th anniversary. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like it, let me know in the comment section below of what I should unbox next. Make sure to leave a like, share, support as always. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Hopefully see you in the next one. Peace out, everybody.